What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today, we've got a new electric bike for your viewing pleasure, and I'm excited to announce that after receiving this bike, the price actually dropped significantly. This is my new Jasion RetroVolt. It's a vintage style electric bike. There are three different colors. You can get it in blue. They've got a grayish color. And then you got the black with the flames, and this is the one I picked because, I mean, flames, hot rods, right? This thing is only $799, guys. It's going to be hard to beat this. If this bike rides and everything works like it's supposed to, this is going to be a no-brainer for $799, ladies and gentlemen. Super cool bike. I've seen 16 5-star perfect reviews on their website. It is literally $1,000 off right now. Speed is 29 miles an hour. Motor, surprisingly for this little bike, 1,200 watts from that rear hub motor. Maximum payload, this is crazy, 450 pounds. 48 volt, 13 amp hour battery using Samsung cells. Of course, so you know there's quality in the battery. A range of approximately 68 miles, and get this, guys, 75 Newton meters of torque with a maximum 25-degree gradient. This is a super cool bike, packed full of features for very little money. Let's start looking at some of the features of the bike, starting with this ginormous banana seat. This is what I call these back in the old days, which is why I think they call it kind of a retro-style bike. Bicycles had banana seats. All right, you also have an additional spot here for luggage or for another seat. It even comes with pegs down here for another rider if you wanted. They also have some optional side storage options that you can hook up to the sides over here to, add extra things that you want to carry with you. We've got so much to go through with this bike. Headlight, which is always nice. Nice LED projector headlight with the reflector in the front. Adjustable suspension with lockout. Back here, you've got a tail light. I don't think there's turn signals on this. Actually, I think there are. No kidding. Yeah, we got horn, lights, turn signal, and sequential. Look at that. It's a sequential turn signal. I didn't even know it had that. No joke. Okay, that's pretty cool. Headlight should be on now. Nice. Easy to understand, guys. Everything for the lights and horn right here separate. You've got cruise control. That's another amazing feature. Cruise control, okay. Power button, pedal assist, up and down, and then information. This will change the display down here. You can look at different things like how long you've been riding, power output, odometer, the current trip. Very nice. Your battery charge up here, 100%, and I've already ridden this bike about a mile, 0.8 miles. You have standard brakes, not hydraulic on this one. Shimano, gear set, and shifter. We do have a derailleur guard, which I always like seeing. These things are really important to have. Overall, very nice bike. You've got an adjustable rear suspension, and of course, adjustable front suspension as well. Guys, that's a lot of bike. That's a lot of bike for $799. The price of these bikes has just been going down drastically lately. So why don't we take it out for a ride? Let's see if it's worth the money. All right, let's take her out. See what she does. I got the tires underinflated as usual because this is a really, really rocky and pretty rough terrain type of area. So you don't want the tires overinflated or you will be falling down regularly. We're already up to 15 miles an hour, and I'm barely twisting on the throttle, guys. Brakes, even though they're not hydraulic brakes, which you really can't expect hydraulic brakes on a bike that is this economically friendly. Is that a nice way of putting it? Meaning it costs very little money. I would not expect hydraulic brakes on this. The ride quality is really good. We're doing 20. Super stable, very easy to manage and maintain on these rocky roads. This is very loose gravel and a lot of dirt. This is not bad, guys. And let's try these brakes out as we approach an intersection here. Yeah, stupid good. Let's see if we can take it off-road a little bit, see how she does in some of the rougher terrain. This is not very friendly. And I only take the bikes out here that I think can actually handle it. So we'll see how she does. It's definitely very bumpy. I'm not going fast. I'm only going 10 miles an hour. But it's handling it. And the ride is not too bad, guys. This thing actually is doing really well. Definitely above and beyond any of my expectations. Oh boy, now we're testing the suspension. I am 220 pounds and 5'11". So I'm well within the 450 pound payload capacity of this bike. Not bad. Not bad at all. The fat tires really just kind of eat up this stuff. And when you underinflate the tires, it really helps the shock absorbers do their job even better. This is nice, guys. Yeah, we can do this all day, every day. Oh, there you go. So can it handle off-road activities? Absolutely, guys. Let's really hit those brakes this time. Definitely not hydraulic quality brakes, guys, but they work very well for being standard brakes. Let's see how the brakes hold on a hill. Very nice. All right, you guys ready to take off? See what this thing does? Here we go. Oh yeah. Very torquey. Definitely torquey. It's not gonna knock you off the bike, but she's torquey. We're gonna see what the top speed is here. We're at 27. Come on, do 28. Let's at least 28. We hit 28, there we go. And that's where she's gonna top out. It bounces between 27.7 and 28 miles an hour, sustained. We'll be going downhill here in just, there we go, 29, 30. Yeah, going downhill, she'll definitely pick up some steam. About 31, 32, 33. Very stable, guys. Now, you're only going to hit these speeds going downhill. All right, so don't get excited. We're going to come up a big hill here. This is where we really test out the torque of these bikes going uphill. Okay, we're down to 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. And it held 21 miles an hour, and now we're picking up steam again. And that's throttle alone. I'm not doing any pedaling. We'll do some pedaling here in just a moment once we get into the neighborhood. Again, we're holding about 26, 27 miles an hour, no problem. So I think that's real world expectations for you guys. 27, 28 miles an hour, no problem for this bike, guys. On-road, off-road, no problem at all. Even downhill in 33 miles an hour, it is super stable, solid, no vibrations, no funny noises, nothing. Let's turn on the cruise control here. And let's see. Yeah, cruise control is engaged. It's working. It's holding 23 miles an hour. No problem. Let's turn it off. And it instantly stops. That's a nice feature to have on a bike, guys. Cruise control. All right, let's see if we can get into the neighborhood. Oh, he's peeling out in a Kroger van. Okay. That's a first, if I'm being completely honest. I've never seen a Kroger delivery van peel out before. So, off-road, I'm doing almost 20. Not a problem. All right, guys, let's get her into the neighborhood. And let's do a little bit of pedaling. Brakes, nice. Such a stable bike. All right, here we go. I'm in seventh. Whoa. Okay, hold up. That was instantaneous ghost pedaling. Wow. We're phantom pedaling here, guys. Let's slow it down. All right, I'm doing 10. Man, it just takes off, guys. As soon as you start pedaling, like this thing takes off like a bat out of hell. So by the time you hit 22 miles an hour, realistically, probably more like 20, you're just pedaling the air. You're not actually doing anything. But the nice thing is I'm already doing almost 30 miles an hour, and I'm barely pedaling. Like, I'm barely pedaling because there's nothing to pedal. You're literally pedaling the air at this point. But even so, yeah, you barely pedal, and this thing just, it takes off on you. So you can still get a little bit of exercise value out of this, right? Maybe you're not pedaling as hard as you would on a traditional bike, but you can get some exercise from pedaling the air. Good Lord, she just takes off, guys. My goodness. I'm really not pedaling hard at all, and we're doing 29 miles an hour. I mean, literally, I'm speeding right now. And in a bike that's $799, and I don't know for sure, but I'd almost be willing to bet that they're going to throw me a promo code that I can put down in the description box below. So go check it out. Make sure you check the link below this video, because I might even be able to get this for you a little bit cheaper, but even if not, you're still looking at one heck of a bike for $799, guys. Remember, this is $1,000 off. I can't guarantee you that they're going to keep this sale going on forever, but $799 for a bike that was originally $1,800, that's going to be really hard to beat. So there's a big dog in the road up here. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, baby. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing, huh? Hi, honey. How's it going? Haven't seen you in a while. Yeah. I thought you were a horse from back in the distance. I did. You're huge. Big old dog. Yeah. Big old dog. You want to say hi to the camera? Huh? You leaving? You taking off? You are beautiful. Yes, you are. You're a beautiful dog. Yes, you are. You like the bike? Yeah? All right. Well, y'all take care. Stay out of the road. See you later. The other one's skittish. Bye, baby. The other one's real skittish. All right, back on the road again. I'm serious. From a distance, I thought I was about to roll up on a horse. I was like, oh my God, is there a horse in the road? Hey, living out in the country, you never know what you're gonna run into out here. And we're back. And that is a big hill, and it got me up there effortlessly. Back on the gravel. This is a very well-constructed bike, guys. And in all honesty, most of them are really solid built bikes. This one just handles anything you throw at it with no problem. I think what surprises me the most about this bike is not the build quality, not the torque, not the range that it claims. I mean, it's definitely all of the above. It's the price. I can't get over the price. I have tested bikes that are in the thousands of dollars, guys, and $799 for this is the one thing that just keeps shocking the living heck out of me. What a great deal for a very capable electric bike. All right, so there's only one thing left to do at the end of these videos. We like to see how many miles we've ridden and how much range the bike has left, because it claims around 60 miles of range. We have ridden, it's so bright out here today. We have ridden 5 miles, 4.9 miles, 5 miles, still at 100% battery remaining. No joke, 100% battery remaining. And most of it was throttle alone. Guys, I did a little bit of pedaling here and there, but mostly throttle. You'll probably notice there's some stickers in here. We got a lot of stickers out here, guys. These are they're anti-puncture tires and tubes. So stickers and stuff typically are not going to puncture your tires, guys. And the fat tires really help. You really want these fat tire bikes if you're going to be doing any type of off-roading at all. So an amazing bike for a very good price. I'm going to contact the company. I'll see if I can pull some strings. I doubt they're going to let this thing go for any cheaper, but if I can swing it, I'll put a discount code for you guys down below this video. If you're interested in this bike, I highly recommend you check this out quickly, because I doubt they're going to leave it on sale for $799 for very long, guys. It's a crazy good deal for one of these bikes. So go check it out. Link directly below the video. Thank you to Jasion for sending us this really cool and a super bargain of an electric bike, guys. I really enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button. And remember, links below the video.